Okay, I think we have all the parts we need. Let's get to work. This! Yes? Yes! It's working!
Miserable little truffles. I can't believe they used sticker ammo. What a bunch of cheese! Oh, an Omax. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
Mad for mayhem, crave carnage, adore destruction? Well, today is your lucky day. You have been invited to participate, witness the greatest, bloodiest, goriest battle in the universe, the Imperial Fight Festival. Rated M for mature. Come on down to Planet Mukau and enjoy a night of entertainment without any ulterior motives or deception. Offer only valid for fuzzy, long-eared orphans and their tiny robotic companions.
That sounded like Captain Quark.
Which means it's probably a trap. But it's our only lead. Let's go see what he's gotten himself into.
Ahoy there, young scallywags! This be Captain Slack, scourge of the galaxy. Surrender your vessel, or be cast to the depths of the universe!